Because one of the things that I'm keen to understand is during the implementation process, as something that was so new, walking a path that no one had kind of been down before, I'm sure there are a number of key learnings that you guys will have kind of had to work out yourselves, essentially. You know, with regards to both the best practices, but also some of the pitfalls to avoid. Obviously, the audience here at Field Service News is cross-sector. It's horizontal. We talk to the field service operations team, so that could be from transportation through to aviation, fixing photocopies and everything else in between. But this is something that not many companies would have been a path that they would have followed you down. So would you say that there are a particular pitfalls that you could have avoided having gone through this route before? Talk to me a little bit about, you've mentioned how this is quite a clear partnership between yourselves and Space One as well. So talk to me a little bit about, you know, how you both came to overcome such pitfalls, etc.
Yeah, so as being a new process in a new industry, I can say like this, there were many things that we had to work on together. So yeah, basically we started adapting Space One solutions for our needs, for our tasks. But yeah, immediately we came up together to the solution of developing a completely new approach, a completely new solution. And you know, there were all the problems and the issues of a development project, but it was quite successful. And I can tell you that basically I would avoid some pitfalls regarding the change management process, because you have to, there's a huge process of involving end users. They are used to work in a traditional way, let's say like this, and you need to be able to involve them in the development. So yeah, you have to high level plan the solution, but you have to engage them. You have to convince them that it's going to be a win-win solution. It's going to be better for their safety, it's going to be better for their productivity, it's going to be better for their colleagues in the back office. And yeah, I don't want to make a solution, to finish a solution, and then having the end users not happy about that. So it's going to be a parallel development by gathering a lot of feedbacks from the end users. And I suggest to don't do the error of keeping them out until the rollout, sorry, and presenting them the solutions without them having never seen it. So let's develop it together. And another pitfall to avoid is to implement everything in the same time. So start small, start with basic functionalities, start with a very simple user interface, and then when you have feedbacks, when you have results, start adding other functionalities.